Okay. Still working on the wagon. Still trying to, I guess, debondify this goddamn car. Obviously, we resorted down to the wood chisel.
It laughs at the grinder.
yeah. Because the grinder just keeps going. So at least doing it this way, it'll be the easiest way to do it.
Knocks a good chunk of it off.
Yeah. God, that's ugly. It's alright.
Satan's bottom.
Got to do some fender lip repair.
Dude, what the fuck is it? Why?
I don't know. I got to take the tank out though, because that's going to be the easiest way.
Yeah.
For anybody that don't know, the gas tank.
Like, why use rivets and then tech screws?
Yeah, and then screws also. Yeah.
And you didn't even like. You put extra holes in the shit that you didn't even need.
Yeah.
And just fill them with Bondo.
Yeah, in order to take the gas tank out on these things, the gas tank is not where like the El Camino is, or the Chevelles, where they're like down underneath the rear of the car. The gas tank on these ones are in the rear quarter panel. You have to go through. Well, I'll take the tire off later when I'm doing it, and I'll show you guys. But it's right up here. There's a ton of screws. You undo all the screws, and then the tank itself is inside. Well, here you can see this is the top of the tank and obviously the filler, but there is no filler neck. It's just a straight filler that goes directly to the actual gas tank right there. So
no wonder it was so hard to get the tank out last time.
Yeah, because it's fucked. Because
smashed in there.
it's all smashed in and it's not supposed to be smashed in. Yeah, I already had to take the tank out once because I thought the tank was bad. And
instead of like working the metal back to shape, which they could have done, it would have got rid of the oil can.
Yeah.
Or we could heat shrink it and stuff, but
yeah, it's alright.
We'll just put 30,000 gallons of Bondo.
That's exactly what they did. Okay. The Elko. Trust me, I'm working on it. That'll be next project. That's a love project.
Use the window tractor, or the window frames are big.
On what? Oh yeah, on the wagon? Yeah. Thank God. That was the easy part, I ended up finding out.
Yeah. Holy fuck, what is it?
Yeah, but this is what I'm working on right now. So I got partial of the airbag kit. Obviously I got the AccuAir Indo CVT kit. What I'm doing right now is I'm taking off the aftermarket lower control arm, because I got the tubular control arms. They're like the CCP, CPP, CCP. I always forget what the hell they are. Whatever, OPP. Yeah, you know me. But they're those kits, and down at the bottom, it's got that. It's nice because it's a tubular setup, but unfortunately with the airbag kits for the front of these, unless you buy the actual control arm that has the bolt-in piece for the actual airbag itself, you have to make like a cup system for it to fit inside. So my buddy Jay at BC Fab, excuse me, all the goddamn dust everywhere on this car. I'm gonna take the control arm off, and then he's going to get me a he's gonna make a cup. They'll make a cup that'll actually sit right inside, but it's easier for me to just take the control arm off and give it to them, so that way they can actually just do all the dimensions right then and there. And then should be the same dimensions for the passenger side, which is what I'm working on here, and the driver's side. So I'm gonna undo that right now. Yeah, but that's what I'm doing. I'm not going to show you guys how to undo a lower control arm, because you should already know how to do it. And if you don't, fucking YouTube.
Google it.
Yeah, Google. You Googly. You better. You Googleize it. Oh.
I feel like a true redneck doing this shit with a chisel.
It's alright, bro. We're in Rolinda. It's fine.
This is true.
We fit in.
Yeehaw.
Actually, we're high class hoes, okay? I'm a high class hoe.
Oh, you wanted a dumb hoe.
Man, ho for show. All right, well, I'm gonna undo this control arm, and then I will talk to you guys in a bit.
Hell, dude, they wouldn't do it.
Really?
They're like, no, you'll never be able to set the timing. I'm like, bro,
Who cares?
you don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, took an hour to get that fucking thing off. Shouldn't have been that long, but it's 10:30 at night. I'm an old man, I'm tired. But it's all done, it's all off. I only need to take off one side. I can leave the top up because who cares about the top? It doesn't need it. But this is all I was doing, was just taking this off, because what they're gonna do is they're gonna make a cup that sits inside. So it'll just go right inside. The bag will bolt onto the cup. It'll lay right inside there. And then obviously it'll bolt into the top of wherever that shock mount is supposed to go. So super simple. I'm done. This is the, oh yeah, this is the, my tubular control arm. I know it's the knockoff. It's not the actual Hotchkiss. I would love to have Hotchkiss money. If Hotchkiss wants to sponsor me in the 72 wagon, I'd appreciate it. I'd probably make sweet love to one of your employees, but I'll make do with this. I'm down with that. Maybe I'll get some high-end ones for the Elko, but for now, that's going on the wagon.
We ain't got that YouTube.
Yo, I ain't got that YouTube money. Hey, that's why I'm making this channel, okay? Help me. Lord Jesus, help me. Anyways, yeah, but that's it. We're done for tonight. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. Peace out.